Ready to take your meals to the next level? Whip up this easy ginger sauce recipe to add tons of flavor to any dish. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So what are you waiting for? Let's get cooking. Ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 cup of soy sauce, half a cup of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 inch of ginger, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Begin by grating the ginger finely into a paste. For a stronger and more intense flavor, you can use frozen ginger instead of fresh ginger. Frozen ginger tends to have a stronger and more pungent flavor compared to fresh ginger, which can enhance the overall taste of the sauce. Take a medium-sized pot and add 1 cup soy sauce, half a cup of mirin, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons sake, 3 tablespoons sugar, and the grated ginger. Heat the pot over medium heat and let the ingredients simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add cornstarch slurry to the sauce and whisk continuously to prevent any lumps. Turn off the heat and stir occasionally. Finally, pour the sauce into a container for later use, or you can use it right away. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, make sure to check out my other videos on the screen right now, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.